Are you intrigued by the idea of leading teams, overcoming challenges, and driving projects to success? If so, a career as a project manager might be the perfect fit for you. In today's AEET career episode, we'll delve into the position of project manager. People may confused with the role of project manager and product manager. However, a project manager is responsible for overseeing the execution of a project from start to finish, ensuring its timely completion, adherence to budget constraints, and achievement of desired outcomes. Unlike a product manager who focuses on capitalizing and developing new products, a project manager works alongside various stakeholders, coordinating activities, managing resources, and fostering effective communication. While academic qualifications are not strict prerequisites, personal characteristics such as leadership, effective communication, and collaboration are crucial for success as a project manager. Working alongside professionals from diverse domains such as design, engineering, marketing, and sales, necessitating strong interpersonal skills and the ability to inspire and lead teams. Let's hear more from our guest today, Allison.
My name is Allison. I'm actually a project manager for over 10 years. In terms of personalities, I would say that would be the leadership, because a project manager works with a lot of people, but this person actually is not the person who physically make all the products or do all the testings. This person just to control, to manage, to plan whole the project. So how can this person to control or to ask those people to work on this project? Is like, how can you make them to work with you on this project? So I think the leadership is very important. They want to follow your instructions or follow your advice. During this process, we will meet a lot of challenges. We have to lead our team to the goal. You have to bring up your leadership and then just let them feel comfortable or confident. I think that is the most important personality that you should have. Yeah, I think the biggest challenge is to convince, to persuade people to do something that they don't want to do. Because we are doing something new, right? We are doing something we haven't done before, we haven't created before. So a lot of things that we don't know yet. And a lot of issues, problems, or challenges that we don't even know how they come. And also, there are a lot of new features, new functions that a product manager wants to bring to the world. And that brings a lot of pressure to an engineer or to a designer, because based on their current comfortable zone, they don't want to do something they haven't done before. But actually, they have the skills. They are just afraid to do so. So I think the biggest challenge here is to convince them that they actually have the profession, they have the knowledge, they have the skill to create something they didn't think they could. Never stop learning, because being a project manager, the most important thing is to learn something new so that you can build something new.
Project management offers an exciting and fulfilling career for those free on challenges, leading teams, and achieving project success. By developing skills, nurturing personal qualities, and staying updated with emerging technologies, you can embark on a rewarding journey in project management. If you are passionate about making a difference, building something new, project management could be the best choice for you. For those who want to dive deeper into our interview, click into our website to discover more interesting and informative details. If you haven't, don't forget to subscribe our channel to follow more in the next time career story.